Welcome to our TeamGuru tutorial how to use our module problem escalation. This module enables rapid response to any problem with immediate notification to all relevant people and built-in escalation system. You can predefine an escalation procedure so that the problem will get automatically escalated to the next level if not resolved within a predefined time period. Before you create your problem escalation document, you first have to set up problem reject type and escalation template. And once you set up problem reject type and escalation templates, you will be able to use them again, so you don't need to create the new ones. You can just use the ones that are already existing. And let's get started and learn how we can create our problem reject type. So when we click on it in our drop down menu, and here you see already existing problem types, and if you need to create the new one, you just have to click on a green plus button in the right upper corner. And here you will see it's very simple. You just have to enter your title and save and return button. If you need to modify any of these problem types, you just have to click on an added pencil, and of course you need to have a sufficient role to do so. And the next step is to create escalation templates. So from drop down menu, choose escalation templates. And here you will see the one that are already existing, and to create the new one you have to click again green plus button. But here I would like to point out, you will see that your problem type is always tied with location. So let's create the new one. And now you are ready to define your escalation template. You will choose your title, then you will select your location from the menu. Problem type, that's the type that it's already existing and we have already created, so we'll choose this one. Prevent individual escalation changes. This gives you option. If you check this box, that means that whenever you create a new problem escalation document, it will use this template, but then you will not be able to make any modifications to your new document. But if you leave it unchecked, then you will be able to modify your document using this template. And you also have an option to protect settings of your template by checking this box and choosing your template administrators. And those people are the only ones that can change this template. And since we do not have an owner for this document like other documents, please don't forget to enter your name so you will be able to get back to your template. And now you are ready to define your escalation process by adding individual levels and setting up all the details. And for our video tutorial, I'm going to be using already existing template. And here you will see there are 3 levels created for this process. First, you have to select a duration, which means this time indicates how long these responsible people have to resolve the problem. And if they don't do it within this period, then the next level of responsible people will be notified, and then it goes on. And here you will write the notes what to do when the problem occurs, and here you will choose your responsible people by using this green plus button to adding responsible person or groups. And here right next to them you will see that you have an option to choose if they will be notified by email and also by text message to their mobile device. And to set up the option to receive the text messages notifications, you have to go to your settings in the right upper corner, choose users. Then you will find the user, and when you scroll down you will see advanced settings, and here you will set up the phone number. There is also option org units for mobile problem escalation. And if you are going to be creating problem escalation from your mobile, when you select the org units here, then whenever you are creating new escalation problem, then it will automatically predefine your document with the org units that is set up under your profile. And when we go back, to activate this option, you just have to simply click on it and choose which ones you want to be used to notify your responsible people. And you can see that you can add as many levels as you need to. And once you are done with all your settings, you just have to scroll the way up and click Save and Return button. And now we are ready to create our problem escalation document. From the menu, we click on Problem Escalation. And here we will choose the site where we would like to create this problem escalation document. Here you see the list that are already, those documents that are already existing, and to create a new one, we have to click on the green plus button in the right upper corner. And now you are ready to set up your problem escalation document. Location, you see it's already automatically predefined right here, but you are able to change it and select from your menu, from your org structure. Title, you just select your title and your problem type. And now let's see what happens. Now you see with the combination of a problem type and your location, a system automatically pulls in all the information from the template that we have already set up. And now you can make any modifications, of course, only in the case that prevent individual changes in your template settings, it's not checked. You will see raised by person is predefined automatically, but you can also change it from the menu. Here you will select problem description. You can enter all the details. You can add picture and root cause follow-up actions. And once you are done, you just scroll all the way up and click Save and View button. And now you see that the time to next escalation level starts running right away. So the first level of responsible people, they have 10 minutes to resolve the problem. Let's say that I was notified there is a problem. When I log into my account, I'm able to click on my name. And here I am showing that I'm aware of the problem. And I can also add comment like I'm working on it and save comment. But let's say that I'm not able to resolve this problem within this time period, then the next level of responsible people will be notified, and it keeps going, and then it goes to the next level again. You are also able to create and use corrective preventive actions. And once the problem is solved, you have to go and click on the close button. So now when I click on it, are you sure to close the problem escalation? Okay. And here I will see the time, how long it took to resolve the problem. And once I refresh my page, you will also see that the close date is entered automatically here also. And you are done with your document. And before we finish, you are also able to go to your folder and review all your problem escalation documents. You can sort them by type, location, created, updated, closed, raised by, and you can also use filters. And that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.